And we're taking a look at the ACDelco ARM601. This is a 1/2 14.8 to 147.5 foot-pounds. This is a heavy-duty digital torque wrench with buzzer and LED flash notification, and it's held up to ISO 6789 standards and comes complete with certificate of calibration. Now this is super easy to use. The buttons are really clear, and you just set your torque and you're ready to go. And with the buzzer and the LED flashing light, there's no questioning whether you reach your perfect torque setting. It comes in a nice sturdy housing case, and it's powered by 4 AAA batteries, and it's easy to change the batteries. As you can see, the storage in the handle, and it's made with stellar quality that gives you speed, accuracy, and easy to read LED screen. So if you do handiwork around the house and on your car, like torquing down spark plugs, especially on the oil drain plug, especially if you have crush washers, you want to make sure you get the proper torque on that, because last thing you need is leaks on an oil change. So this is great to keep around the house, and this is the tool to get the job done precisely.